Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your fourth week exclusive love reading plus career reading. So your cards are already out. Let's begin. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you would like to know more about the personal readings, the ritual or the counseling sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information. In your love life, you have got the Ten of Spades and the Lovers card. The lovers card talk about, especially if you are in a situationship, relationship or married, it talks about the third party situation. It talks about your husband or wife having extramarital affair, or there is a romantic third party involved in your relationship. If you're single, I do see that you can be presented with multiple options which you have to choose from, or the people that you're talking to currently are also talking to multiple people. This week you will have to make a choice which partner is perfect for you and who do you wish to spend the rest of your life with. And people who are in relationship or married, you will have to be extra cautious. This week some sort of truth will come out, especially regarding a third party. So if your intuition has been saying so, it has been nudging you, please follow your intuition. Keep your eyes, ears, nose, everything open so that you can hear about it. Investigate the matter before you take any final step. I know that you're waiting for a speedy development in your relationship. Like, why is my boyfriend still not introducing me to his family? Or why is this person not giving me commitment? Or why is my husband suddenly, spending time away from home so much? That's because of the third party. So, things are not as smooth as you wish them to be. Things are not as fast as you want them to be. That's because your partner is definitely talking to other people or person romantically involved. So please make sure. Third party usually can also be that there are friends and families influencing your partner, but because of the lovers card, I do see that this really means that the possibility of a third party romantically involved is there. In your career, you have got the Ten of Moons and the Two of Suns. I do feel that you're worried about money, worried about growth, worried about success, whether you are in a business or job. I do see that you will be saving a lot, or you want to save a lot, or you're worried about your EMIs. This week, you can inherit something, or the inheritance that you were expecting can be blocked because the people involved are not gelling well with you. It can be the relatives or the family legacy that is about to come your way, but there are a lot of people involved, and unfortunately, you do not gel well with them. I do see compatibility issues. So, if you are facing such issues in your family or your business or your job, and you think this is affecting your work or your money in any way, please make sure to compromise. Because I do see that you and these people have exact same personality, is extremely strong, short-headed, hot-tempered, right? Egoistic. All these things can be there. So you have to make sure that you are the one compromising, because Two of Suns has come in your picture, which means they will not lose out on anything by being that dominating self or showing ego, but you have a lot to lose out on. You can lose out the home, the family legacy, the money coming your way, the profit, the bonus, or you can lose out the promotion, the client, the customer, etc. Right? So please make sure, if this is the boss, especially if this is the family, relatives and all, or your own parents, or the clients or the investors, you have to be extra careful, especially if they have an upper hand in the situation because of their position or authority. You have to make sure that you agree with them even if they are wrong. This week is not a time to show your strength or to prove who's right and who's wrong. This is a time for you to compromise. If you follow this instruction, this week will be smooth, and probably you will not lose out on anything. So yes, if this was your weekly reading, I know it's going to be challenging. I know you will have to follow certain rules this week and play very carefully, but it is the need of the hour. And if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. As this was a general reading, all your questions must not have been covered. So if you have any specific questions, you can book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings as well. I give people rituals as well to do, and do rituals as well. So there are two sort of rituals. One is the bay leaf manifestation ritual, which I do on your behalf, and the second one is blockage removal ritual. If you feel there are blockages in your life from a particular area, like love is not coming, or career is not growing, or health is not improving, then you can specifically book a blockage removal for that particular area. Then I have two exclusive love readings available. One is Oracle Love Reading, that's a no contact love reading to channel your partner's current feelings, and the other one is Mystic Red Rose Love Reading to know whether your partner loves you or not, what is the future of this connection, and what does they feel about you, whether you are in no contact or still talking, or it's a crush. You can book a Mystic Red Rose Love Reading. Apart from this, I have various packages available for you guys. If you're single, I have a different package. If you are in a relationship or love complication, I have a different package for you. Includes the married people as well, or situationship. And if you have career issues, then I have a different package. Every package will have at least 4 questions, very general basic questions that most of you ask, and each package will come with a free remedy to remove the blockages from that area, right? Then comes the spiritual counseling session. So I take spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you need guidance, you need therapy, you need somebody to mentor you, you need to share your burdens with without, feeling ashamed or fear of getting judged or laughed at, then you can always come to me. I have audio video call sessions available with me on Instagram, Zoom, and Google Meet. You can either email me at asasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. All these details are mentioned in my description box below and my bio. Please go check out. And yes, please do follow me on Instagram, because I post these details on a daily basis, like what are the various services and the prices as well. You will get it from my Instagram channel. And yes, when is the channel closed, or when is the new service being launched, when is the video coming, when am I coming live, all these details will be posted over there. So please follow over there, subscribe to my YouTube channel here, take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.